Are you stuck in that sex swing in there? I know you ordered one, because I delivered it yesterday. If you need help, blink twice. Okay, well, other than that, I got something good, Davy. This feels like some type of wig. Bubbles. Ooh, there's something good in this one. Ooh, smells like pussy. I hope that's not what's in that package. I better scan it. Sounds like you ordered pussy through the mail. I'm going to have to order me some of that. Yes, and then you got a free coupon for some baby carrots, Mark. Oh, baby carrots. Love those, honey. Give them to the dog. The dog's